Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to schedule power on and off in your itel mobile phones. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and find the system. Okay, click system. And okay guys, here in system, you can see the schedule power on and off. Click this. And okay guys, we here in schedule power on and off. And okay, to schedule your on time, so okay, you all have to do is click the switch button. And okay, to set the time when your phone are automatically on, so okay, click this. And okay, you can see the time. To change the time, click time. And okay, I set my time into 4:30 AM. So okay, you all have to do is click okay to save. And okay guys, after that, so okay, you can see the repeat. And okay, you can see the repeat from Monday to Fridays. Okay guys, I set repeat this time schedule is from Monday to Sunday. So okay guys, after that, click okay. And okay guys, if you are satisfied, so click done on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, the power on schedule are set in 4:30 AM. So okay guys, another one is the turn off schedule. So okay, you all have to do is click the switch button. And to change the time of off, so okay, click this. And you can see the time, click time. And okay, you can set the time when your phone are automatically off. So okay guys, I set into 10 o'clock or 10 PM. So okay, after that, click okay. And okay guys, and repeat. Okay, you can see the repeat into Monday to Friday. So okay, I set into Monday to Sunday. So okay guys, after that, click okay. And okay guys, if you satisfied to schedule on power of your mobile phones, okay, after that, click done on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, we have successfully scheduled the power on and off in your itel mobile phones. Okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.